Hello dear friends, today I will show you how to quickly and easily scan a QR code in the Telegram app, making it a seamless experience. Simple guide. So, first I'll show you where the QR code comes from in Telegram. First, we open Telegram and click on the avatar in the top right for settings. Next, we see 3 small squares and 4 small dots in the top left corner. We click on them and we have our Telegram QR code. Next, we click share and can share with someone from our contacts. So, let's see what to do if our interlocutor sent us a QR code. We go to photos. I currently have a photo open and I hold down this photo. After that, we get the open in Telegram table. Click open in Telegram and it redirects us to the Telegram chat. Let's close it. Here he is. He switched us to the Telegram chat. Let's select photos. Select a photo. Select photo. Enter and we have send message. A chat with me has opened, but you will have a chat with the person who sent you the photo. Or sent somewhere. Friends, please subscribe to our channel and like us. Thank you. You make my channel better and it only thrives with you. See you soon.